Hey Divi Nation, welcome to the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away 2 free Divi Layout Packs. And for the first layout pack this week, Kenny and our design team have created for you a beautiful brand new Therapist Layout Pack. The Therapist Layout Pack is built to offer a beautiful and comforting web presence for any therapist or therapy company. The design is clean and calm, and with all the page layouts available, a therapist can have a friendly site up and running in no time. They can easily showcase their credentials, FAQs, areas of service, contact info, and much more. And the landing page will be a useful tool for driving visitors to book an appointment. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this layout pack on your own website. Now, before you can start adding pre-made layouts to your website using the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. To do that, you can go to Divi Theme Options. Then click on the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key and save changes. Once done, you can begin the process of creating a new page and then adding a pre-made layout to that page. To do that, let's go over to Pages, Add New. Then add a title to your page and deploy the Visual Builder. 3 options will appear, allowing you to choose how you want to build your page. Choose the option that says Choose a Pre-made Layout. This will deploy the Load from Library pop-up box with your pre-made layouts tab open by default. Go ahead and scroll down till you find the Therapist Layout Pack and click it. There you'll see a preview of all the pages that are available in the pack. Go ahead and select the one that you want on the right. And then you can see a preview of that page on the left. Once you've settled on the page that you want, go ahead and click the Use This Layout button. Once the layout is loaded to your page, don't forget to publish it. Then you'll continue this process to create all of your pages with their corresponding layouts. Once done, you're ready to create your new menu. To do that, go over to your WordPress dashboard. Then navigate to Appearance, Menus. Give your menu a name, and then click Create Menu. Then on the left, go ahead and select all the pages that you created with their corresponding layouts, and then click Add to Menu. Under the menu structure area, go ahead and organize your menu items however you like. And don't forget to select your display location as primary menu. After that, save your menu. And the next step is to go ahead and create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, select a static page, and then for the homepage option, select the homepage with the new homepage layout that you selected. After that, click Save Changes. Now your new therapist website is up and running. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you enjoy this new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies or layout packs. And don't forget to check out our next layout pack, which should be released on Friday. And we look forward to seeing you in our next video. See you later.